In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Neverstop Laser 1001NW series printer on your Windows PC, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to type in HP Neverstop Laser 1001NW support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP Neverstop Laser 1001NW. Go ahead and open that up. And now underneath the support categories here, select the software and drivers tile. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, you're going to have to select yes. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. And then just follow through with the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer configured, whether you're using a wired or wireless connection, and any other optional software you may want to install or features you want to turn on through the installer here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.